Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am bringing you this kind of vampy, fun, colorful lemonade-ish yellow green geographic geometric liner look. I hope you guys like it. If you did, then keep on watching to see how I created this, and don't forget before you leave to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And let's get started. Hi guys, so I'm starting off super zoomed in so that you can hopefully see what I'm doing. Hopefully it works and it doesn't go out of focus. Anyways, so I'm starting off super close, and I'm gonna start off by putting my NYX Lid Lingerie just a dot on the inner corners and blending it out. And then we're gonna go in with this shadow called Sphere from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. One of my favorite shadows ever. So I'm just gonna take that and do a dot on the inner corners and blend that out a little bit. And I'm just going to make sure I have sort of a similar shape going on. Okay guys, so after I have that on the inner corners, I'm going to take my NYX Vivid Brights liner in the shade Vivid Halo. And I'm going to do eyeliner that's kind of an illusion. It goes up and out. And then we're going to do the same thing with the green liner, but in a little bit different shape. So I'm just getting some product on that brush, starting about here. Just something like that. It doesn't have to be super perfect right now. We're gonna go in and fix it, and because I have hooded lids, it's gonna look a little bit different at first before I go in and add more. But I'm going to connect and I'm going to attempt to do that on the other side. Like I said, if it's not perfect, we're going to clean it up with concealer. So when my eyes are like this, you could see that it's absolutely not perfect. But because I'm kind of doing it in this weird shape, it's because I have hooded lids. So That is why. And now we're going to take some concealer and clean it up a little bit. So far what we have is something like this. Next, I'm going to take my green Vivid Brights eyeliner in the shade Vivid Escape. And I'm going to do more of a traditional wing coming from here out. And I'm going to end it there, but then bring it out as if it's going underneath that first yellow liner, if that makes sense. Next, I'm going to take a little detailed brush like this one and my Model's Own Glitter Mix Glitter Gel. And this one is like a super pretty green yellow mix. And I'm going to put this a dot on the inner corners. Let me see. Like so. On both sides. And then I'm going to add a little bit of highlight, and then we're going to work. I'm going to add a little bit of highlight there, and then we're going to work on the bottom lash line, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so for the bottom lash line, I'm going to go back to my Lid Lingerie by NYX and take a dab on my brush and dab it underneath both sides. And blend it. This is just going to give us a lighter base to work with. And before I go in with my same Prism shadow, I am going to take this BH Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And it is super colorful. I love this palette. And I'm going to take this very top lime electric yellow shade and basically just run that on the bottom lash line. And then I'm going to go back to that Sphere shade from Anastasia and just pop that in the same place. We're going to leave it like that for now, and we're going to do lashes.
A little click noise. Look, listen to it again. It's a voice and it's electronic. I don't know what it's saying.
Is it Daft Punk?
It's not, yes, Daft Punk. The DJ's Daft Punk came into our suite at night and gave me a little ditty. That's what happened.
Holy shit. This is insane. It's fucking 5:15 in the morning.
So guys, for the very last step, I'm going to take a little bit of that same Model's Own glitter that I used on the inner corners on a foundation brush, dip just a little bit, and just use a tiny bit on the high points of my cheekbones, like so, just to add a little bit more fun to this look. And that is it. So guys, that's it. This is the final look. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed watching me mess up, because that eyeliner was a bitch. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the products, as usual, will be listed down below, even ones that I didn't feature, so like my base products that I usually always use, and the highlighter and all that stuff is going to be in the description box. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did like it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.